back. And move these out just a touch because they're a little short. Lift it up. So you can see we're pretty much underneath, or we're underneath there except for one little spot. Where's my tiny spatula? Here it is. So I'm just going to lift that up. That's really a heavy cake. And shove this underneath. There we go. All right, we'll put the balls on so they don't roll around anywhere. I'm going to attach these with a little piece of, well, I guess we can use buttercream, but I think I'm going to use a little piece of the green fondant so that you don't see it. I guess I should put some water there, huh? Water there. A little bit of water. And another one right in front. Okay, I'm going to put a couple decorations on this hat. And all they are is this different colored fondant. I'm going to do green. What am I doing? Green, blue, and red. And this is where those circle cutters come in. And I want to do different size circles for this, okay? So that's why we have the stacking circles. All right, I don't think I'm going to use these giant one. Actually, I don't think I'm going to use either of these. I'm going to use this set. And again, you can use your pasta machine to roll this out. Oh, I got blue in it. Oh well. I'll cut around it. And we want a couple different sizes. You know, one big one, maybe two big ones, and a couple of little ones. And then the green. Room for one more, just in case I need it. And then the blue. Okay, there we go. All right, so a little bit of water. And what I want to do is I want to put them on at an angle. Let's start with the blue.